So I think that somebody might have said something that you said. I think what maybe it was. Did you have, or in the recent history, have anybody that you thought might have been stalking you, or that was just acting weird?
No, but me and Ben were talking. Remember about a month ago, I think Ben told one of the police officers that Kaylee was outside taking Murphy out and she saw a shadow.
Yep, okay.
And then when Kaylee was at Winco, Xana was in the car, she noticed this guy was following her. She got what she was getting, put it in the car, and she could see in her mirror that the guy was behind her in the car.
Okay.
So obviously he was trying to follow her. And then that was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then about a week ago, our door is broken, but me, Maddie, and Ben came home and the door is wide open. And obviously, yes, the door is broken, but that could also be something else as well.
With the front door?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever find the back slider open or anything? Is that usually locked? What's the condition of
I mean,
that?
we're pretty good at locking it. I don't think we locked it last night.
And it sounds like the code's fairly well known to the front door by people.
I mean, only people that know us, random people would not know, but
okay. Right.
Yeah.
Because Hunter said he knew it.
Yeah, he does.
Obviously knew it because it sounded like she was going to move in with you guys, possibly. Doesn't sound like you knew it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Did Kaylee ever say anything or report that weirdness to anybody else other than you guys?
No, because I mean, you can't. There's no proof, you know. Right. I can't really do anything about it, and people are just weird sometimes. We didn't obviously we were scared for a little bit. We didn't think much about it after that because there's nothing really weird after that.
Did she see what kind of car it was that he was driving? Nothing like that? Mm-hmm. Where did Kaylee work?
She worked at home for a business, I believe. Okay. I can't remember what exactly it is.
So she was just she works from her apartment? From her room? Okay. What about Maddie and Xana? Where did they work?
Maddie and Xana both worked at Mad Creek, and then Maddie also had a paid internship through this business as well that was online at home.
Who would know what that business is? How would I be able to figure that out?
You might know.
Okay.
I can't remember what it's called. There's because they were business majors, and through their majors they were able to get these jobs.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, told me about Kaylee talking about something like that.
Yeah.
And then I heard that it was possibly you. So I just wanted to make sure that I got the right person having those kind of things. Did you hear Murphy barking or doing anything?
Yes, he was barking a lot.
Throughout the night, or?
When I heard Kaylee go upstairs, he was barking a lot, and then I could tell that he was outside. I don't know how the police found him, because he wasn't in the house.
Okay.
But he has a puppy, he barks, but he was barking a lot if there was someone there.
And that was at 1:32, or was that around 4?
4, when everything happened.
And when he was barking, when you first heard him barking after she was up there playing, did you hear him go outside, or did he start outside? Murphy was with Kaylee when they were dancing. They walked upstairs, he was still with her, and then when she would yell, "Someone's here," he started barking in the house. And then I believe the slider door was open, and I think he went out that way, because I could tell the sound of his barking was getting more distant. Do you think that Murphy would have went after him, whoever he was?
Maybe, but I mean, he's a puppy, he doesn't fully know that yet.
No, he would just be, if anything, probably playing with him.
Yeah, I don't know.
When the guy in black left, did he close the slider, or did he leave it open?
I don't know. I just ran downstairs.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, anything else?
Not that I can think of. No.
All right. I'm going to go talk to my guys who've done the other interviews and see if anybody's got questions.
so that we can kind of start putting more pieces together.